Hello dear students, I am Sapna Balara. Today we will do the chapter noun gender. So what is gender? Gender is a quality of a noun or pronoun that classifies it into masculine, feminine, common or neutral gender. It means which will denote whether it is a masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender or neutral gender are called noun gender. Now I will tell one by one each. Masculine gender. A noun that stands for a male living being is said to be masculine gender. So first of all, what you will write down the heading. Chapter is noun gender, and then you will write down the masculine gender. After this writing, you will write down the definition part. Okay. Then example. Example you will take from here. Boy, brother, uncle, aunt. This is for masculine gender. You will take example from it. So what is masculine gender? A noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Example we have done. These examples you will write down in masculine gender. Now feminine gender. A noun that stands for a female living being is said to be of the feminine gender. Heading you will write down. Feminine gender, and then you will write down the definition. It means a noun that denotes a female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Example of feminine gender you will write down from here. Girl, sister, aunt, woman. These are example of feminine gender. You know very well what is masculine and feminine. You have done many times. I am now explaining what is neutral gender. A noun that stands for a non-living thing is said to be neutral gender. Here we are talking about living thing. When we are talking about non-living thing, these are called neutral gender. So adding this one you will write down, then definition of this one. Okay, it is clearly written. A noun that denotes a thing without life. Non-living thing. What are non-living thing? Without life. That is neither male or female, because it doesn't have any life. So it is said to be neutral gender. Example: pen, pencil, bat, ball. These are examples you will write after the definition. Now common gender. A noun that can stand for either a male or for a female is said to be of the common gender. Either means whether it stands for male or female, only one option. But we don't know about whether it is a male or female. Like student. In student, male can be also there, female can also be there. So by just reading the words student, we are not identify whether we are talking about a male or a female. So those are called student. Like girl, we know very well girl is a female, so that will come under feminine gender. Boy, that is we are talking about a male, that is masculine gender. But here student, player, we don't know in this whether it is a male or a female. That is why these words will come under common gender. So this is the definition, this is the heading you will write down on the top, then the definition, and 3-4 examples you will write down from here. Now you will write down the table. From here you will write down one table you can make masculine and feminine. Just below it you will keep on adding this one also. Okay, in one table you will write down all the 3 parts, and later on again you will write down this one, these 2 tables also in your notebook. Just continuing the numbering. Just make only one table, and in this table you will just join others tables also. Okay, so you will write down these ones also in your notebook. Is it clear to you? Thank you.